Apple introduced the Dynamic Island feature with its 14 Pro series, which by the way is a trending feature in the smartphone world right now. So let's see how you can bring the same feature in Android. Basically, any Android. First of all, there is an app called Dynamic Island. You can find it in the link in the description below. Download it from there, and once downloaded, install and open the app. Now you should see a screen like this. Now to give the necessary permissions, click on that floating window option and allow it for the app Dynamic Island. Do the same for accessibility. And for Bluetooth permission, just tap and allow. That's it. Now click on this feature on button, which will basically turn on the feature for you. And that's it, it's done. Now every time you charge your device or whenever you pair your Bluetooth device, you would see this cool animation that just looks like the one that Apple added to iPhone 14 Pro series. Note that this right now works only for charging and earphones, but the developer might bring some other options in the future. So guys, that's pretty much it about the video. Hope you guys like it, and if you did, smash that like button and I will talk to you in the next one.